Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to see the international system of numeration. Already we have seen the Indian system of numeration. Today we are going to see the international system of numeration and the difference between these two. Okay? Indian system of numeration, what you know? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, and I have explained you about the periods also. Here, ones, tens, hundreds is in ones period, 1,000, 10,000 is in thousands period, then lakh, 10 lakh is lakh period. This is crore period. Okay, so in between each periods we have to put the comma. Okay, today we are going to see the international system of numeration. So see here, the same thing, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 till this one is same between the Indian system and international system till 10,000. 5 places it is same. 6th place, here it is lakh, here it is 100,000. The difference you can find, this is lakh, this is 100,000. So next one, 10 lakh is 1 million, right? 10 lakh is 1 million. So next crore, it is 10 million, 100 million. You can see the board. Okay, so till 10,000 it is same. After that 100,000, instead of lakh we are going to write 100,000, then millions. 1 million is 10 lakhs. Okay, then 10 million, 100 million. Okay, and here periods, ones, tens, hundreds is ones period, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 3. Here only 2, no, here 3 will be in thousands period. What will be in thousand period? 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 lakh, no, 100,000 is in thousands period. Okay, here million, 10 million, 100 million in millions period. Okay, so here in Indian system, each period, first I will give you one number, 23, 5, 9, 2, 3, 5. Okay, how will you put the comma? First 3 digits for ones, tens, hundreds. After ones period, you have to put a comma here. After tens, 1,000, 10,000, 1 comma, thousands period. Then lakh period, 1 comma. So how will you read this one? 23 lakh 59,325. Do you got it? So after each period you have to put a comma. Here also I will tell you one example. 3, 5, 9, 6, 2, 9, 3, 2, 5. How will you put the comma? After each period you have to put the comma. So here one's period is 5 to 3, 325, no? It's one's period. Put a comma here. The same thing here also. One's period is same here. Here thousands period, 3 numbers are there. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. But here 1,000, 10,000 only. After 2 we put the comma. Here 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, comma, because this period 1,000 period 3. Here 359, 3 numbers are there. Here after 2 we are putting 1 comma. Do you understand the difference between the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration? I will repeat it again. See here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 till 5 numbers it is same. 6th number, instead of lakh we are writing 100,000. Instead of lakh we are writing 100,000. Then 10 lakh is million, 1 million. Okay, this is millions place. Then crore, 10 million, 100 million. Do you got it? And how you will put the comma? 3, 3, 3. Here 3, 2, 2, 2 you will go. But in international system, 3 numbers will be in one period. So millions period, thousands period and ones period. Do you got it? Very good. You want me to give another example? Okay. Okay, shall I rub this Indian system of numeration? We already finished that. I will give you some more examples in international system of numeration. 3, 5, 6, 5, 9, 3, 2, 5, 9. Example 1. How will you put the comma? Ones, tens, hundreds. Put a comma here. Then 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Put a comma here. This is million period. So 3, 3, 3. Then how will you read this one? 356 million 593,259. How will you write? 356 million 593,259. Do you got it? If the number is like this, 7, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 9. Then how will you put, this is example 2. How will you put the comma? Ones, tens, hundreds, ones period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, thousands period. Now 7. Then how will you read this one? 7,365,439. You got it? How will you write? 7,365,439. Okay? You want me to give the another example? Okay. I'll give another example 3. So next example. How will you put the comma? Ones, tens, hundreds, one period, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, one period. Okay. Then how will you read this number? 58,543,599. You got it? Okay. Okay. We will go to exercise 1.5 in page number 11. See the first sum. Insert commas and write the following numbers in words in the international system. So we are going to insert the commas. Always I used to teach you. You will do the exercise. Today I will take the exercise also. Enjoy. Okay. Here we are going to put the comma. How will you put? Ones, tens, hundreds, one comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, one comma. 3, 3, 1. Okay. Here ones, tens, hundreds, one comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, one comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, one comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, one comma. Here 3, 3, 2. 3, 3. Then how will you read this one? 3,547,192. 4,115,302. 25,730,2. 8,200,000. What I told? 25,730,002. Here 8,200,091. Here 10,004,731. Do you got it? We will do the next sum. Write the following numbers in the international system of numeration. 22 lakh. See, second sum. This is first sum. Second sum. 22 lakh 44,020. 22 lakh 44,020. So this is the Indian system of numeration. We are going to write this in the international system of numeration. What we have to do? 3, remove this comma, 3, 3. So this one is 2. How you have to write? 2,244,020. How will you write? 2,244,020. 244,020. This is the first sum. Second sum, 3,02,334. 3,02,334. How will you write? So take this here. 302,000 in the international system. How will you change? Here 3 lakh is in Indian system, right? So we have to take this comma. So it will become 302,000 334. 334. Okay, you got it? Okay, next sum, 11,24,325. So like this you have to write first the Indian system, then you have to change the comma, then it will be easy for you to change to international system. If only you have to change the comma, then you will understand. First you have to write the Indian system, then only you can write this one. Okay, so next 3 sums you can do, right? Next, rewrite the following numbers in the international system of numeration. The third question, rewrite the following numbers in the international system of first question. A total collection from a musical show is, see, a total collection from a musical show is 33,47,121. So what we have to do? Rewrite the following numbers in the international system. The same thing what we did in the last exercise. How will you change international system? Last 3 is same. This one 3 will be there, no? So what you have to do? 3, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 1. So for last is ones period, then 10 thousands period, then million. Then how will you write? 3,347,121. Do you got it? Like that, next sum also, nearly 2,74,83,420 foreigners visited the Taj Mahal last year. So you have to write the number and you have to change the comma according to the international system. Okay, only 3 sums are here. So exercise 1.5, you can write it neatly in the notebook. Hope you understand this Indian and international system. Okay, thank you children.